Say Merry Christmas! Where you going? Say Merry Christmas, Milo! Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas, Gingy! Say Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas!
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas.
Okay, hi guys! Welcome to Vlogmas number 3. So we're at the supermarket getting some stuff. What we got so far? We got rum cream. I'm gonna try and vlog more because some certain people, namely Jamaica, yeah, hope I didn't butcher your name, come to me say a 5-minute vlog, not gonna cut it. So I'm making the positive effort of trying to vlog more, okay ma'am? Usually I would get wine or stuff. Well, not usually I get wine, but I'm not gonna get any wine this month, you know, because the bottle that I pulled in the middle of the month is still in the fridge, so it doesn't make no sense to pull and buy no more. Doggy food for the mongrels on deck, you don't know. Scrap, scrap. Getting my essential oils, because when you have pets at home, you know, you also have to switch your safe, you know, you also have to air out and smell good, you see me? Well, you have to bathe the dogs then too, of course, but you get what I'm saying, right? Okay, bye. Hey guys, it is your girl Shelone. I didn't vlog the day after the supermarket. I didn't vlog yesterday with the 24th either because that was, I spent the day attending my brother's wedding and it was a little bit more private, you know, yeah. By the way, congrats bro. So I am gonna see if I can vlog today. I'm gonna be spending Christmas Day with the bestie and all that niceness. So I guess we'll find out if I actually vlog, don't it? Breakfast thanks to my lovely Chanel.
Shelone, please don't tell me say you Vlogmas something this. No, Brian. Brian, you can't have my YouTube in your house, you know.
Yeah, the reverse. Yeah, we can reverse to one change angle and the nicest here. What is somebody's goat feed?
Yeah.
This is the testicles of a goat. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Fat.
Fat asleep. I love it. You're gonna go on the door.
What is it?
Fat asleep.
But you not still come here? See me?
Oh, big boy. Oh my god. Man,
You just look
this is a puppy, man. This is a puppy. Not even 1 year old. Look at this dog. Oh my god. Hey guys. So my ass just had some Christmas cake at Chanel baked. It tastes so good. Oh my god. When all your friends can cook. I am so sleepy because I popped 4 pills because I felt like I was coming down with the flu and I didn't want to feel too sick. I prefer feel a little drowsy than with coughing and all of that stuff. Cough is going away, so that is good. But yeah, there I chill with the mister. Where is he? You know where so chilling while he plays with his new Illustrator's tablet. Yes. So just there I go and chill and I go and keep everybody company, make sure everybody alright. You know, that will make sure that people alright. We don't live for yourself, we live for other people, yeah? That's why you must live your life. Don't live your life for yourself. So just to make sure that everybody cool, help out where I can. checking on my cousins and just chill and enjoy the little Christmas days, and yeah. Man, today is a really good day. God is awesome. God is good. My clothes them come. I sent some clothes with Chanel. She brought them in, and I never know so much clothes with the honest truth, but probably show you guys some of them little bit, because I take my do not all, and that was just too much clothes, and I think Darren got his the day before, because I had to collect that from one of the shipping company them. But everybody get them clothes, everybody get them Christmas niceness now, so I just will go and relax and chill. Alright guys, I'll see you in a few. Yes, stir, curry goat, curry mutton, whatever you want to call it, yes. Goody, Zoom in a little bit more, yes, look at it, look at it and weep, because I don't know how to get done. Hi guys, so I just want to formally apologize for the audio in the previous parts of this video. There was a different microphone that was attached to this camera, so I had to readjust the settings. Well, I didn't remember to readjust the settings, but at least the microphone was turned on, so at least you could hear a little something. So yeah, my apologies.